Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Agriculture, SOA. Awareness Program on Value Added Products from Fruits and Vegetables, APVPFV. NPV 001. Module 4 Processing and Value Addition. 4. C. Tomato Products. 1.0 Introduction. Tomatoes are available practically throughout the year and several processed products can be prepared from them. There is a big scope for setting up a small-scale tomato processing factory in village or town. Fresh tomatoes are good for health and they are good source of vitamin C and provitamin A. Tomatoes are also nutritionally good for health. You should eat tomatoes to prevent prostate cancer and heart diseases. 2.0 Objectives. On completing this unit, you will know about different tomato products and learn their preparation methods. 3.0 Tomato Products. There are different tomato products available in the market. The most popular are tomato puree, tomato paste, and tomato ketchup. Tomato puree. Tomato puree is commercial tomato pulp without skin or seeds, with or without added salt and containing not less than 8.37% salt-free tomato solids. If the puree contains 12% tomato-soluble solids, then it is known as medium tomato puree. Tomato paste. Tomato paste is a concentrated tomato juice or pulp without skin and seeds containing not less than 25% of tomato solids. If concentrated to 33% and more of solids, it is called concentrated tomato paste. Tomato ketchup is a concentrated tomato product without skin and seeds containing sugar, salt, vinegar and not having less than 32% TSS. 3.1 Tips to produce good quality tomato pulp. Here are some general tips to produce quality tomato products. 1. Always use red tomatoes and avoid green ones. 2. Use tomatoes which are more fibrous and have a TSS value of 5.0 and are acidic. 3. Never use iron equipment. It can lead to blackening of the product. 4. Avoid prolonged heating and cooling after preparation. 5. Use hot break method for making tomato pulp. It involves cutting tomatoes, heating them to 900 C for 2 minutes, followed by sieving the pulp and finally heat processing. 3.2 Tomato juice. To make different tomato products, we have to first extract tomato juice. Let's see how. Tomato juice is extracted from tomatoes in factories. Step 1. Selection of raw material. Selection of good quality raw material is most important in making a good quality tomato product. To get bright red color in tomato juice, always select wine-ripened red tomatoes and discard green ones. See below how green tomatoes are being separated from the red ones. Green and pink tomatoes can later be taken after ripening. Damaged, spoiled or blemished fruits should be avoided. Juice from overripened tomatoes is thin and unpleasant to taste and aroma. Step 2. Washing and trimming. Thoroughly wash tomato in running water. In commercial factories, soft roller brushes are used. Washed tomatoes are trimmed to remove green and yellowish portions, stalk end, and cracked portions, etc. Step 3. Extraction of tomato pulp. After washing and trimming, tomatoes are cut into 4 to 6 pieces for boiling to soften the tissues to make pulp. Pulping is done by 2 methods, i.e., by hot or cold breaking. In hot breaking, tomatoes are crushed and heated for 3 to 5 minutes. In stainless steel pan or in aluminum patila, Hot crushing is the best method for making tomato pulp. This gives bright red color and high yield and makes the juice thick. Juice should have a Brix of 6.0% and acidity of 0.4%. In cold breaking, no heat is given and tomatoes are directly used for extraction of pulp. Two types of juice extractors, namely continuous spiral press and cyclone, are used for the extraction of pulp. Step 4: Heat processing. Before heat processing, zero point 0.4 to 0.6 kg 100 kg salt sugar is added to counteract the astringent taste of the juice. Juice is packed in glass bottles or in cans. The bottles are closed hermetically by crown cork and sterilized for 30 minutes in boiling water, 1000 C, whereas for canning, hot juice is filled in cans leaving little head space and processed at 1160 C for 3.3 minutes. Step 5: Concentration. If you want to make tomato puree, then you should concentrate the tomato juice. Concentration is carried out in two types of vessels, namely open cooker and vacuum pan. Open cookers are good for small-scale factories since vacuum pan are costly and used in commercial factories. End point is checked with a refractometer. Step 6: Packing and pasteurization. Fill hot and seal with crown corks. Immerse the bottles in boiling water, 100 OC, for 30 min and then cool them. 3.3 Tomato ketchup and its ingredients. Tomato ketchup is a popular tomato product which is liked by people of all age groups. It has good market in villages also. It is made by concentrating the tomato juice or pulp with or without seeds and pieces of skin. Spices, salt, sugar, vinegar, onion, garlic, etc. are added to the extent that the ketchup contains not less than 12% tomato solids and 32% total solids. Ingredients: see recipe. Tomato juice. Juice as extracted above can be used for the preparation of tomato ketchup. Juice should have 6% total soluble solids. Instead of tomato juice, tomato puree of 15% total soluble solids can also be used. This will save time as well as energy. Spices: red chili, ginger, onion, clove, cinnamon, cardamom, zira, black pepper are already listed in recipe. They should be of good quality. Poor quality spices will spoil the taste of your product. They can be added by bag method or directly. Essential oil or oleosins or spice extracts may be used. Generally, small-scale processors use bag method since oleosins and extracts are costly. Sugar. About 1/3 of sugar is added initially at the start of boiling. If you add the entire sugar in the beginning, pulp will have to be boiled for a longer time and at higher temperature, which can affect the color of your ketchup. This helps to fix the color or red tomatoes. Rest of the sugar is added afterwards. Normally 10 to 20% of sugar is used. Salt. Salt should be again of high quality. It is to be added at the end of process. Normally salt added should be 1 to 3%. Vinegar. Good quality vinegar should have 5 to 5.5% acidity in the form of acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid is sometimes used. It has the following advantages. It is cheaper than vinegar. It is clear and colorless like water. It is 100% acetic acid. Vinegar, like sugar and salt, should also be added practically at the end of boiling. This will save any loss of flavor and acidity. Thickening agents. Pectin, 0.1 to 0.2% of the finished product, is sometimes added to thicken the juice. Cooking and concentration. In commercial ketchups, the percentage of total soluble solids varies from 20 to 37%. Generally, a TSS of 37% increases the keeping quality of ketchup because of its higher salt, sugar, and vinegar content. Recipe for tomato ketchup. Tomato juice 10 kilograms. Sugar 660 g. Salt 83 g. Red chili 5 g. Vinegar 30 milliliters. Onion 3.3 g. Cloves 3.3 g. Cinnamon 3.3 g. Zira 3.3 g. Black pepper 3.3 g. Sodium benzoate at 750 ppm 2.5 g. Method. Extract the tomato juice as given in section 3.2. Add 1/3 sugar to the juice and keep it on burner for concentrating. Put the spices in the bag and immerse it in pulp. Keep stirring the content to prevent burning. Check the bricks. When 1/3 of juice remains or when the bricks reach S2 to 0%, add rest of sugar. Concentrate further. Add vinegar and salt and concentrate further. Check the bricks. If it has reached at 2-3-2%, remove from fire. Dissolve sodium benzoate in little quantity of water and add to ketchup. 3.4 Tomato soup. Ingredients. Tomato juice 1.0 kilograms. Sugar 15.0 g. Salt 9.9 g. Arrowroot starch 3.75 g. Red chili 0.21 g. Cream 2 teaspoons. Spices, cinnamon, cloves, optional. Method. Tomato soup is a fairly popular product. The first step in its preparation is the extraction of tomato juice. You have already seen the extraction of tomato juice in section 3.2. Place the juice in a boiling pan to concentrate it. Add spices and mix arrowroot starch. Continue to boil to the desired consistency, stirring it continuously to prevent clotting of starch. At the end, add sugar and salt and boil the mixture for 2 minutes to dissolve them. 4.0 Summary. Tomatoes are good source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C and provitamin A. Various tomatoes products like tomato puree, juice, paste and ketchup have good potential in market. Only plant-ripened and bright red tomato should be used for making tomato products. Women at the village level can easily set up their small-scale factory for processing tomatoes with a minimum investment of 50,000. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.